So apparently, this is the GameStop CEO's eBay account that he is using to sell stuff, sell his collection in order to help finance him buying eBay. Which again is still crazy to say out loud because it's never ever in a million years gonna work. But here's his little collection he has of stuff he is selling. In case you want to buy anything, I guess, this is options, right? So keep in mind, I think he needs like $50 billion in order. What is it? Like he's offering $58 billion, and his current market value of his actual company is like 14 billion. So it's also like the weirdest, most random stuff ever. So like we have a GameStop store sign, which is $12,000. Let's go ahead and go through the most valuable stuff to the least valuable. So the highest market value stuff here is going to be a $12,000 GameStop sign. Who is buying a $12,000? And by the way, everything he's selling is on bids. So he's not like actually selling just buy it now. You have to bid for it. So $12,000. What did this start at? Let's see what this started at. This started at, oh my. Okay, it started at actually like 1 penny. So he's starting all of his bids at 1 penny. And then he's going to go all the way up now so far to 12,000, which I believe this is your typical stuff that you see when it comes to this type of stuff where people aren't actually bidding. He said, I'm selling stuff on eBay to pay for eBay. It's kind of funny. But based on what I was saying, this is not, like, this is something where he's selling this stuff, but people are bidding, but they're bidding as a troll, and they're not actually going to pay for it. So all this stuff that he's placing up here for sale, people aren't going to actually buy it. They're just bidding as a troll because people found out that he's selling, stuff on eBay to buy eBay. So it's funny. So now people are just trolling it by starting to do crazy, stupid bids, and nobody's actually going to pay for this stuff. So we got Halo 2 Master Chief statue, $10,500, $8,300 for a Ken Griffey Jr. Go Reds. Although this is back when he was with the Seattle Mariners, but also go Reds. Socks, $5,500 for socks. $5,200 for a GameStop Mario NASCAR hood poster. A PSA 10 Trump card, $5,200. Chewy.com, $5,200. A Battlefield 4 GameStop racing suit, $4,500. I'm not sure what these all add up to, but I don't think they add up to like $30 or $40 billion. So that might be a little bit of an issue. Apple iPhone. Is this brand new? No, open box. Okay, so it's open box. I will say low key. Okay, just put the thing on. What is this? This is via electronic mail. Oh, so this is proof that, I guess. Pausing. Oh, wait, no mind. Does he do that for all the items? That's just showing, yeah, he does that for all the items. This is just a picture saying that they sent an offer to eBay to buy eBay. So all the items, it shows, yeah, these are items, but guess what? This is me trying to buy eBay. So, yeah. Okay. I mean, yeah, this is the whole thing. There's a lot of items here. GameStop mouse pad, $1,100. Again, people are just bidding on this just to troll and bid up these prices. None of these are going to actually sell. So this is so pointless. And honestly, a waste of time for him. I mean, obviously, it's going to be cool, like, hey, yeah, post all this stuff. But none of these are going to sell. And it's just going to be a waste of time. So, in the end, I'm expecting all these auctions to end in like 6 days. And then we're going to see that they all get, pretty much canceled and then either relisted or something like that. Now, I believe they can actually go to the second person. So if the first person doesn't pay, they can make the second person make or try to make them pay. But again, there's so many trolls. I mean, at this point, we have 91 bids on this sign. I guarantee you not a single person actually is bidding on this sign legitly. So if they go through the 91 people, they're all going to say, yeah, we're not paying for that. Which I don't think anybody would want to pay for that. Like, who would want to have this in their, like, house? GameStop side. I don't know, man. Anyway, guys, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys next one.